Welcome back to Markets of Sunshine. This is Marcia. Thank you for joining me today in our calligraphy practice session. And we are now going to practice the loop stroke, and this is used for the letter B and the letter P. And I'm using my Stampin' Up! Stampin' Right marker. This one is Pacific Point, and then I'm using my Zig calligraphy marker, and this is just a green. Pure green it's called, 040, and I'm using this pack of 4, and I have an Amazon affiliate link below, and the Stampin' Up! Is just from Stampin' Right markers. You can just purchase those off their website. I don't have any affiliate link for that. So let's get started today. We're going to start with our brush stroke, and I like to use this broader tip at the end. And remember, when we're doing our calligraphy practice, the down strokes is where we want the heavier pressure, so it has a fuller look, and then our up stroke is lighter pressure so that it has a thinner look. Okay, so that's the best way for me to describe it to you. All right, so here we go. And if you would like me to zoom in on this, just let me know in the comments below, and the next video I make, I will do that. So no one has said anything, but if that's an issue, I'm more than happy to adjust it. All right, so now we're going to use the Zig marker, and again, this is a chiseled tip. This is the thinner end, so I'm going to use this one first, and then we'll do the broader tip in a minute. So let's start with this one. So you can definitely see the difference between the Zig and just your regular brush. Okay, let me zoom in a little bit. You can see this. Okay, so here you can see it very clearly. So here's the thinner end of the Zig marker. Here's the broader, so you can see the difference very easily. And then now here's just the brush. And it's so subtle, but it just depends on what look you want to go with. So I like both of them, but I like using this one because this, like I said, to me, makes you an instant fancy handwriting expert from the get-go. And that's what I like. I want, you know, don't we want instant results? You know, we do. We don't want to take, you know, years to master this, and months and months and months. And doing it the old-fashioned way is what it takes. That's it. It takes months and months and months. And, you know, we want to get down to business. We want to get, you know, busy writing and having this beautiful handwriting. So we've done our underturn stroke, we did our oval stroke, we did the compound curve, and now we've done the loop stroke. So the underturn stroke is used for I, A, U, and W. The oval stroke is obvious for O, A, D, and G. So you're combining different strokes together. The compound stroke is H, M, and N. And then our loop stroke is, like I said, B and P. So we have 2 more to go. And this, again, is using the workbook that I like, that I picked up. And it's by Lisa Funk. So you can go to her website if you would like to and get you one of her practice books. And she has many that she comes out with all the time, but I'm sticking with this one right now. I'm not going to be purchasing any more at the present because I know what I'm doing. I don't need more practice. I like it. I love it. Okay, so now let's do an Etsy shop update. So Thursdays are calligraphy practice and Etsy shop updates. So I'm going to show you some cute little dolls that were from Boyd's Bear, and they're called Snuggle Bees. And these will be in my Etsy, but they will be in my pattern shop, my Etsy pattern shop, which is going to be a new addition to my shop. And the reason why is because Etsy for vintage items, items made by other companies. Let me zoom back down. You cannot list unless they're 20 years or older. So that means anything made from 2001 older would be allowed to be sold on Etsy. And even though people are selling them on Etsy, they're going against the rules, but I will not go against those terms of service. So the little dollies that I'm going to show you are made from 2002 and 2003. The one I do have that is made from 2001, and I think this one is her. So this is how you can tell, and I'm going to show you. We're going to do some investigating here. Where did I find that? Where was, okay, over here, yeah. So we have to undress the dolly. Okay, her cute little bloomer, so cute. All right, so now here's the tush tag. This is called a tush tag. And you see it says 2001 right there. Okay, Boyd's Collection, Gettysburg, Pennsylvania, and UK number, I don't even know what that means, down here, this part, all of this here. Okay, but this is how you know if it is truly vintage or not. So they're saying it is a vintage, so that is misleading. So yes, maybe it's 19 years old or 18 years old, but true vintage is 20 years or older. Now, antique is 100 years, so don't confuse the two. It has to be 100 years old to be an antique, but vintage is anywhere from 20 to 99 years. Okay, aren't these cute? So she has a little crinoline. This is attached to her dress. They all have the little pantaloons. They all have felt shoes, absolutely adorable. These do not come off. And little socks, aren't these precious? And these do not come off either. And then every one of them has a paw print somewhere on their outfit. Now, this is the only one so far, which we're going to examine them all, that I did find this little tiny dot here, this little speck. I've not tried to take it off, so if you were to purchase this, you could, attempt that, but it does not, in any way, you would never know it unless I pointed it out to you. And so she's so cute. They all have yarn hair. She has a cute little bow here, and both of her little pigtails. Were those pigtails or ponytails? Wait a minute. Pigtails were two, right? Yeah. Ponytail, I don't know. Whatever. I have to look that up. I've forgotten which is which. And then her little apron is tied in the back, and then her hang tag. Not all of them have the original tags on it. But how you know they're an original is because of the paw print on their outfit. So somewhere on it is their outfit. And her name is Rose. So they also tell you that on the back of it here. And it says Rose, smelling the flowers. And her number is 4652. And it's recommended for children 3 to 103. So they're not just for children. And one of my friends ordered one. And she's going to have it as a little companion for her little bunny. And I have stuffed bunnies. I'm finding more and more things that my customers, we all have something in common. So we don't know that we have these things in common. That's what's the really amazing thing. And I find this stuff out as I get to know my customers better. And the more they order from me and the more we get to know each other, we talk on social media. And then lo and behold, what do you know? So when she showed me her bunny, I said, I have a bunny. So I have to show you my bunny collection one day. I have a collection of bunnies. Okay, now here's another little cute. Isn't she cute? This is more like Raggedy Ann. This is her style immediately. So look at the two facial differences. Okay, so you can see right away. This is definitely more with the heart, a nose, and the heart mouth. That to me just immediately spoke Raggedy Ann. So just cute little heart, puffy heart, and a wood button. A puffy star and a little wood button. And then now she has an apron. Here's the paw print. And cute little pantaloons. Isn't she adorable? Super, super adorable. So I'm going to show you the date on all of these because I just want you to see, and I don't want you to be misled. And when I saw in other shops, not too many, you cannot find these. These are very rare. I looked on the internet And they're really, you can get them in all price ranges. I'm selling them for $17 plus shipping. And then this one is 2003. So there is, so you can authenticate. I want to authenticate when these were actually made. And again, you know, that's just me. I have a pet peeve about that. You know, and sometimes it can be you know, I used to not really take the time to read and find out, you know, what it meant to be vintage, and then until you get a message from Etsy, and then you go, oh, and they take your listing out of your shop. But all right, so I'm putting my hand under here because sometimes they tucked the little hang tag under, you know, tied it around their neck still. So some of these had it still attached, and some of them did not. So I don't know what her name is. It's not on the tush tag, unfortunately. But, and then she has this one little piece of yarn here that's hanging down, and one little piece of yarn here that's hanging down. So I didn't know if that was the way it was made, so I didn't remove it. And if you want to remove it when you get it, that's fine. But again, these will be in my pattern shop. Right now, you can purchase them through my Instagram by sending me a message, and I will invoice you through PayPal. So if you do want one, you can also contact me. If you're not on Instagram, you can contact me through my email, marketsofsunshineusa@gmail.com, if you would like to purchase one. And then just tell me which one that you like, which, you know. So I will show you. So there's several. So cute. And this one is so pretty. Isn't she cute? Okay, let's see what her name is. Her name is Sulyn, Sullyn, and it says Party Hopping 4656. Very adorable. And I believe she was in 2002. So I remember I looked it up, but I'll show you anyway. I'll show you just so that you can see. So cute little, very sweet, soft, velvet feeling dress with a cute little hat. Isn't this adorable? She's so cute. Okay, pigtail. I think it is pigtails. Ponytail, I think, is the one. Pigtails are two. I don't know why that's what comes to my mind. If I'm right or wrong, just let me know. 2002. I'll look it up too. But if you remember, is it ponytail is one and pigtails are two? I don't know why I'm thinking that way. So anyway. And so 2002. Here's her little paw print. She's got a cute little eyelet ruffle down here. And these have just been in my studio, in a tote bag, in my craft studio. So all kept in air conditioning. So this one is so cute too. This one's the hair. These two, now I know what it is. The hair kind of reminds me of Cabbage Patch. Some of the Cabbage Patch dolls. Here's her little paw print on her little dress. And cute little pocket here, little pocket here. Oh, the one that sold, it had pockets. She had pockets. Oh my goodness, they're just too precious. I love them. Look at the felt shoes. Oh, they're so adorable. The little wood button. Just too much. That's why I love this stuff. Like the beanies, when the beanies sell. It just takes me back to when my daughter was little, and oh my goodness, we were going beanie hunting, crazy, and McDonald's teeny beanies. 2002, okay, is what I thought. All right, let me investigate under her because I didn't remember, didn't know if I checked them all to see if their little tags were stuck under their dress or something. So, aren't these adorable? Just precious. Okay, here's another one. All right, let me see if I can see another. And her little paw print is way up here on her little bib. Isn't that cute? Cute, cute, cute. Love this dress. The flower, it's like a little bouquets of flowers. Just adorable. Her little pink felt. Puffy sleeves. Her little crinoline, little bloomers. I believe she's 2002 also, but I just want to double check. Yes, there it is. 2002. Yep, right there. Okay. Fix her little dress. Get her all tidy. So these would be so cute anywhere on a shelf, on your bed, for, you know, people of all ages, collectors. And this one is the Strawberry Girl. Oh, just adorable. I love this. If you're a strawberry fan, if you collect strawberry things, this one I think is just, this is just completely precious. I love it. Absolutely love it. All right, where's her paw print? Paw print, paw print, paw print. There it is up here, right here. So cute, so, so cute. And then I know she's 2002, I believe. So I remembered I checked them all. I had the one that was 2001, one that was 2003, and the others were 2002. But I just want to show you. Ah, no, she's 2001. Yay, I can list her in the Etsy shop. Woohoo! So like I said, so the other one is already listed in my Etsy shop. And then now I will list her in the Etsy shop. I don't see her dress is attached up here at the neck. So they've made it very secure, but again, for 3 years and older. But for collectibles, it would be very nice as a collectible. And just cute little decor. Okay, so this one and the first one are 2001. So these are true vintage, and these will both be listed in the Etsy shop. And like I said, I don't see anything else on any of these. I didn't see any other stains. She has some cute little brown shoes. Now hers are actually cloth. They're not felt. And then a bow on the top of her shoe. That's adorable. That's a different style. So all the others have felt shoes. She's the only one with cloth shoes. Huh, interesting. Okay, and then we have 2002 and we have 2003. So these will be in my pattern Etsy shop, and I will be working on that to get them into the shop for over the next few days. So this one is already in the shop. So Rose is in the shop. So then I will work on getting her in the shop today, and the Etsy shop, and then the pattern Etsy shop. I know this might sound confusing to everybody, but they will come. The rest of them will be in there by Monday. So I will try to get them all listed, but her for sure will go in the shop today. Yippee! And then one has sold already. She was so adorable. She had a green dress. Really, really cute. So thank you for being here with me today. Hope you'll hit that subscribe button. And thank you for all the giveaway entries and the winners. So one has emailed me. So she's already received her coupon code for her prize, so she can redeem that and get her gifts from my Etsy shop. So the others, 3 have to, it's on you. It's not my responsibility. It's your responsibility. So you come back, you enter. Obviously, you should come back to watch the video to find out, how do I get my gift, Marcia? Okay, so that's it. Thank you again. Keep creating in the sunshine. Stay safe. Bye-bye.